You don't need a diagnosis to know your joints are struggling. When you wake up, do your joints feel stiff for more than a few minutes? Do your knees hurt while climbing stairs? Do your shoulders feel tight when you reach overhead? Do you hear clicking even without pain? That's your early signal. Now test this. Sit down on the floor cross-legged or with your legs folded and then stand up without using your hands, without holding support. If that feels hard, your joint strength and stability are already dropping. Next, stand up on one leg, barefoot, for 10 seconds. If your foot shakes or you keep adjusting your joints are compensating, not stabilizing. And one more. Stand straight against a wall, back touching, raise both your arms overhead without arcing your lower back, without your ribs flaring out. If that feels restricted, your mobility is already reducing. This is how joint pain begins. So don't wait for pain. Start restoring it. If you struggle to get up from the floor, practice that exact movement daily, slow, controlled, no rushing. If your balance was off, stand on one leg while brushing your teeth. Practice. If you felt stiffness, add 5 to 10 minutes of yoga, daily stretching, cat-cow, downward dog, gentle hip openers. Movement here is not exercise, it's joint nutrition. Then support it from within. Your joints need more than just calcium, they need direction. Vitamin D3 helps absorb calcium, vitamin K2 helps place it into the bone so that there's no soft tissue accumulation. Omega-3 helps calm inflammation, collagen supports connective tissue, and magnesium helps muscles relax so joints can move freely. But don't miss this. Sunlight helps regulate inflammation. Sleep is where repair actually happens, and stress directly changes how your body holds tension around the joints. This is foundational medicine. Not chasing pain, but restoring function early. Because when function improves, symptoms don't need to be managed. If this made you check your own joints, share it with someone who keeps ignoring those signs. Because when your joints move well, life moves well with you. If this helped you, like the video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more simple science-backed healing. Until next time, eat with awareness, chew your food, slow down, live with balance, and take care of yourself.